The ICC's acquittal of former Ivorian President Laurent Gbagbo and his former youth minister Charles Blé Goudé was a blow for the prosecution.
The prosecutor has failed to satisfy the burden of proof to the requisite standard as foreseen in Article 66 of the Rome Statute.
The events examined at the ICC took place right after the 2010 presidential election. Both Gbagbo and his rival Alassane Ouattara claimed victory. Tension between their supporters quickly turned to post-electoral violence, with brutal clashes and attacks that killed about 3,000 people. Accused of ordering murders and rapes, Gbagbo and his right-hand man, Blé Goudé, were charged with crimes against humanity, their goal being to keep Gbagbo in power. But after 3 years of trial, ICC judges ruled that the prosecution failed to prove such a plan existed. The prosecutor replied that judges were the ones at fault and that clearing Gbagbo was a mistake. She said the judges poorly defined their standards of proof. Several NGOs have said Gbagbo's acquittal is bad news because victims will not get justice. But many have also criticized the fact the ICC did not bring charges against pro-Ouattara fighters, also involved in the massacres. Meanwhile, in Ivory Coast, courts have convicted hundreds of people for their role in post-election violence. But President Ouattara announced 2 years ago he'll give amnesty to 800 of them.